Vasat Vita Office and Residence by Vuumaatra Consultants in Dhaka, Bangladesh. Built in the rapidly growing urban settings of Aftabnagar, an area of eastern Dhaka, the project represents the true aesthetics of a contextual, cultural landscape incorporating local materials and artisans with a blend of sustainable design features. The building serves as both a residence and a design studio for the architect, spanning 3 stories and nestled in a modest plot of approximately 200 square meters. Despite space constraints, the challenge was embraced as an opportunity to create a serene haven amidst the urban chaos. As visitors step inside, they are greeted by a humble yet inviting open space. This design choice reflects the client's dual role as both visionary and architect, driven by a personal dream of preserving a patch of land for family sports, example, badminton matches during winter. Spatial distribution unfolds gradually, transitioning from more public realms to intimate, private spaces as one ascends vertically and sideways parallelly. Drawing inspiration from the principles of Vastu Shastra, the layout unfolds within 9 square grids, with the central grid serving as an open-to-sky courtyard to enhance positive energy flow. This courtyard, along with a water body, also functions as a microclimatic passive cooling feature, ensuring a comfortable living environment with ample natural light and ventilation throughout the space. The ground floor houses the architect's design studio with an open workspace. The ceiling incorporates a waffle slab construction method, integrating traditional clay pots as fillers. An open entryway welcomes the building, and a visually interesting protruded volume is cantilevered from the main building. The architectural approach incorporates passive cooling strategies, utilizing energy transfer to achieve temperatures lower than those in the surrounding environment. The selection of building materials was guided by cultural appropriateness, local availability, and sustainable factors. Brick was most suitable for this, and concretes were used for structural members. The building is enveloped in a simple perforated facade, inspired by the designer's nostalgic memories of the architectural motif found in his childhood. These perforations offer a personal touch while also efficiently managing solar heat, ensuring abundant natural light and ventilation. Glass surfaces are consciously brought inside as the secondary layer to the perforated brick facade, so the sun cannot directly hit the glass surface. As a result, the inside temperature is cooler than the outside in summer. A layer of greenery planted between the brick facade and glass windows provides a calming element for the occupants. Adding a layer of nature in the interior was intentional since it enhances both the environmental performance and the well-being of the building's occupants. Focus was given on integrating nature into the project, and it highlights the importance of designing spaces closely connected to nature for sustainable living. In conclusion, the project demonstrates a commitment to sustainable design principles, integrating local materials, passive cooling strategies, and innovative structural solutions. The sensitively crafted use of space, emphasis on energy efficiency, and consideration for cultural, historical, and environmental factors showcase a holistic approach to sustainable architecture.